Hi, everybody. I am Helen, your instructor for BUS220 Principles of Management, and I'm so glad you're watching this video and are in my course this term. We'll be together for 8 weeks. During that 8 weeks, I want you to be really successful in the course, and I know you want to be too. There are different ways to be successful. There's lots of different ways to learn at Bryan University, as you well know. You will have Learn-Its, just like you're used to. There will be assignments almost every week during this course, and they are writing intensive. So get your tools ready to write good sentences, good paragraphs, and meaningful information in your assignments. You'll also be attending our live meetings. We'll have 4 of them, and they'll be held on Tuesdays at either 6 a.m. or 6 p.m. That's Pacific time. You only need to attend 1 session for each of the 4 sessions where it's offered. I'll let you know when they are, and the information's in your course as well. Yellowdig is still with us, and it is going to be more interesting than ever. We'll be talking about teams and teamwork. We'll be talking about all aspects of management and how to be a good manager. What does a good manager look like? What does a bad manager look like? We're going to cover all of that, and it'll be interesting. Come to your course with a growth mindset and have fun with it. Be sure to reach out for help if you need it. Contact me or your academic consultant anytime. And I will see you during our first live meeting. Bye.